How to go live YouTube with your any DJI drone. I am using the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and you can use any kind of drone. First of all, turn on your drone and go to your fly option, then top right corner 3 dotted option, press on this icon and you can see the transmission, and go to live stream platform and press on RTMP, and you can see the URL option. Now go to your YouTube. I already go with a live from beginning. Go to YouTube and press on a live option, go live, then you can see this kind of interface. You have to press on right now option, start, and select stream with software, press on go. Then your streaming skin, YouTube skin will be prepared. You can customize your title by using edit option. You can monetize this video as well from here. I am using a demo text, press on save. Now scroll down, then you can see the Steam URL option, this one. So you have to enter this Steam URL here. I am inserting this URL. So type those URL carefully, and then / and then type key as well, and press on start, and you see it's already come in my remote. Then wait a couple of seconds, 1 or 2 seconds, let's see what happened. Yeah, it's coming. So YouTube and DJI drone 1 or 2 second delay actually. So let's check it's working or not. Now I am taking my drone from another side. You see my skin is moving. Now if you fly your drone, your YouTube audience watch lively. And if you want to insert microphone, just insert it, then you see my microphone also enable. So that's it.